Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have 100 watt auto power off cable. So this is C2C cable from Mcdodo, and actually Mcdodo is very good. This brand is quite good. We normally use chargers and the cables from them. So the Mcdodo is very good company, I must say. So this is auto power off 100 watt transparent LED data cable, C2C. So let's open one of the cable and then see what do we have. Can open from here. So it's quite long cable. So sorry about the noises, we have very high wind in South Africa, Port Elizabeth today, so sorry about the noises. So this is from Mcdodo, and I'm gonna connect this cable to the charger. So here I have connected this cable to my super fast charger. Let's see if I can charge. So it is super fast charging, definitely. Yeah, it's quite fast charging cable, and Mcdodo is very good brand. Actually, I must say Mcdodo is good. We barely have problem with these cables. So auto power off 100 watt cable. Thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more.